I can listen to music all night with this. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please consider subscribing and click the notification bell to keep you updated. In today's video, I'm gonna be doing another unboxing. I'm gonna do the unboxing of this new headphone. It is a professional monitor headphones that I can be used while I am doing the live streaming, and I can also use this while I am recording something or while I am editing a video. So this is the Technica ATH-M50x. So I'm really excited about it because I have watched a lot of review about it, and most of the review they said that this headphone is really good. So I wanna try it, and I'm so excited to do the unboxing. So without any further ado, I'm gonna start the unboxing. So see ya. So this is the box, Audio Technica ATH-M50x. Professional monitor headphone, and this is the side. There's a logo ATH-50x, and also under here is written specification, and some of it are written in Japanese, made in Taiwan. This one is made in Taiwan, and this is the other side, and this is the back side, and these are the stuff that are inside. So I'm gonna see it. Let's start the unboxing now. So here you will open it here. Okay, you see there is a logo, Audio Technica logo, and there it is. I bought this is the warranty from the store that I ordered it. I ordered it at the same store where I got my Mauno caster light, and there on the top of it there's also a Audio Technica logo, and let's see, yeah, and there is a manual on how to connect it to the cable, how to connect the cable to the headphone, and the locking. Okay, and this is the manual. It is written in Japanese, and there is also an English. Yeah, there's an English instruction also inside, and this is another manual. It has only simple manual, and there it is, the headphone itself. Look at that. Let's take off the plastic, and as you can see, it has like a metal thing over here, and also here there's a logo, model logo over here, and also here it's written made in Taiwan. So yeah, look at this, look at the padding. It's like a leather. It's soft, and it's soft feel. You can feel that it's like very comfortable in your ears. So, and also on the head, it's like there is an Audio Technica logo as well, like in a light silver, yeah, like that. So, and what's are the accessories inside? Let's check it. There is the pouch. The pouch is included, and also there is a Audio Technica logo, and all the accessories are here. The cable, it has 3 cable actually. This is a long straight cable. Like if you don't want to use the other cable, you have 3 options to use the cable. Yeah, and it has this 3.5 mm jack and 3 mm jack. This side there, you see there's like a sign like that. It is to be connected on the headphone, and this is for your phone or anything, for your audio interface to connect that. So it has 3 cords, and this is the spiral cord like that. And also it has this, if you wanted to connect it to the speaker, so it has included the adapter. It's nice, right? Yeah, and it's also like it is very long. And this one is a short cord, I think. Yeah, this one is a short cord that you can use it on your phone when you wanna use it on your phone. So this one is, yeah, it's really good. Okay, that's all inside. And now I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try using it with the audio interface. So I'm gonna try how it sounds. So see ya. So right now I'm gonna try how the sounds while listening to this headphone. So, but first I'm gonna show you how I attach this cable. I already lock it. You can see there's a line here, out of this. There's a line, and also it has a lock mechanism over here. And you will just insert it, not exactly on the line, and then twist it a little, and then it's already locked. And also you can see here there's a indication for right ear and for the left ear. So I'm gonna try it now. How does it sound? Wow, it's really good. The sound is so clean. And I'm gonna try playing music. I have a new favorite music from Neffex. It is Get Through.
But then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can all be worth it.
I am playing the music from the TV. I'm using the Bluetooth connection, and yeah, when I'm talking, of course the music is automatically going down while I am talking. Right. Wow.
Too loud, you don't speak quietly. Opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous.
Wow, I really love it.
Burning, that's all I'm learning. Hope that we can make a turn and start reversing.
I can listen to music all night with this. Wow. I'm so happy that I got this one. I'm really happy.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do, and now I feel I find a place with the view.
I got carried away with the music.
Just gotta get through, I just gotta get through, cause I feel like taking off.
Oh, this is really good.
The pain is never gonna stop if it's
let's try playing the sound effect. If it is good. I will stop the music
find a
for
solution,
now.
my evolution. A place like this, it didn't exist.
Okay, let's try this one. This is the one that I recorded. I know how to record now.
I believe I can fly.
Yeah, this is good. This is the other one. And this is the other one that I recorded also. And this one. Okay, I'm so satisfied with this one. I'm really happy that I got it.
I know
and I couldn't wait to do my live stream. And
everyone in life has got
what
a
can I
halo.
say?
I'm standing in the rain.
I have no words. I am very
Wanna break,
satisfied
no.
that I got this
I'm
one.
not gonna give in. Take a last shot with you.
I'm gonna show you.
Nervous, scared I would pop out fast.
Wait a second, I will turn off the
Made me worthless.
music.
Wanna pop.
I'm gonna show you that also this one, it is collapsible, so that when you store it, it will save space. It's like this. I forgot. It's like this, yeah, like that, you see? And then you will just store it in your bag. It's very nice, right? And you will just store it in this pouch. It is included also, so. See, it's really nice. And you will also put the cord of it. It's very nice and clean. I love the pouch. It's like a leather type. And also everything around here. It's really nice. It's really good. And when you're gonna use it, you will just, yeah, okay. I'm still not used to it. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna break it, I think. I'm gonna break it. Oh, this is really good. This is actually, it has a different color, like there's an orange, a white also, and blue, and black. But I chose the black because I don't know, I already have a white headphone, which is the Sony. But it is stain resistant, but I don't know if I will buy this kind in white. I don't know if it is stain resistant, so I just bought the black one. I'm really happy. Okay. So I am like a podcaster. I am like a podcaster now. Maybe I should do a podcasting, but I don't know what topic I should do. And I really love it. I'm so happy that I got this one. And I'm so excited for the live stream. So I hope you like this video, and I hope you enjoy unboxing with me. And thank you so much. So I guess that's it. Thank you so much for all your support, and I wanna thanks also my super chatter in my last premiere, Hiro the Kami. This guy is from Japan. He is very supportive. Please connect with his channel, and also to all my members. Thank you so much for all your support, for your never-ending support. Thank you so much, and I hope that you will keep supporting me, because I'm a little bit sad because I don't know where are my supporters going. Lately my uploads didn't even reach 100 views, so I'm kind of a little upset. But it's okay as long as there are still loyal viewers. I still have loyal viewers like you. I will still continue vlogging. So I hope that you will continue to support me, because your support motivated me. So thank you so much, guys, and I'll see you again on my next vlog. I love you all, and kisses.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient and soon it can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it.